Hey guys, we're gonna be checking out the chainsaw drop today. I can't afford everything, but we're gonna see a lot of it. Okay? And there's a new camera thing. Tell me if you like it. It's like a bowl it has to follow. And I'm using a new camera, so let's get right into it. But we're checking out the new drop and the new map. I'll show you a 3-pound map. I'll just be checking out the chainsaw and stuff. But let me know if you want me to play tap tag. Just code. But let me know if you want me to tap tag activities. Well, let's hope. The chainsaw's a cool item. I know I watched I'm a Rainbow's stream about it, so on it I watched them. I think is where the new chainsaw is. Where's that? Yeah, right here. Chainsaw. Chainsaw is mainly for creative. Ooh, you think? That's very cool. Fairly awesome. But let me know in the comments below or drop a like if you're excited for Yeeps 2.0. I know, like, I'm trying to get a new headset, but I might have to. Hope I get content creator this time. I don't know. Is it in gadgets, I would think? We don't have any friends that are online right now, so I think we're just gonna look at the map, check it. I'll show you guys like some. Yesterday I was hiding and I met a kid. He said tap tag's not for hide and seek, but I said why is the game is not called Yeeps Tapped? You have any what to do? Not coward. Ready? Sorry. Oh wait, we should try with the big potion. That'd be pretty awesome. Awesome sauce! You. Oh my god, this is sick. This is gonna actually be so good for like builds that you don't like, just erasing them. That I like, so I'm keeping that. But pretty awesome, and I'm gonna go into construction because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a video Saturday showing you how the like the zone copier works. How the zone copier works. It was a short video, so I hope you enjoyed. Okay. Don't forget. I will see you guys Saturday. I'm gonna make a video about the tap tag and the zone copier, how that works. I will see you guys in the next one.